Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to crop pictures in Canva application. To crop pictures in Canva, first of all, launch open the Canva application and log into your account. After you are logged into your Canva account, go ahead and open the project or create a new design where you want to crop the image. I'm gonna create a new design. Simply tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and then select a template from the list or go ahead and upload an image you'd like to crop. After choosing the image you'd like to crop, go ahead and tap on Edit Image at the bottom. You will then come across this page from where you will see editing options. Tap on the crop button at the bottom right hand corner and you will then need to drag the corners or the sides of the image to adjust the crop area as shown on the preview. You can also move the image within the frame, and once you center the part you want to keep, tap on the Done button at the bottom right. And that is how you can easily crop an image. After cropping, you can further adjust the image size or position within your design. After you are done and happy with your result, tap on the Save button at the top right corner and you can then save the project to Canva, use it in a design, or simply download the picture on your device's camera roll. Choose any one option and that's how you easily crop an image on Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.